am Anastasia Kim, a junior studying cellular, molecular, and developmental biology and gender studies. I am passionate about resolving current challenges in medicine and biotechnology, utilizing multi-interdisciplinary fields such as molecular biology, 3D printing, and tissue engineering. I am engaged in 2 undergraduate research at Boehringer's Lab and Basso Lab. As part of the Basso Lab, I am certified for cervical dislocation, subcutaneous injections, and intramuscular injections in mice models, and will be training them in order to determine multiple brain areas for perceptual decision-making, utilizing electrophysiological and behavioral measurements. I owe a lot to my mentor Natada as part of the Boehringer Lab. We first met as an interviewer and an interviewee for a molecular computational role at UW, and later she recruited me for the Tuna IUU project. I was not so familiar with molecular lab work at the time, but after working for Department of Comparative Medicine, getting a 4.0 on my molecular lab course, and engaging in Basso Lab, I was more than ready to shine in Boehringer Lab. Now I am engaged in developing a 3D printed smartphone-based tuna identification device and tuna identification assay utilizing RPA and CRISPR-Cas12a. As a young female queer international student, hunting for research opportunities was dreading enough. However, I learned that it is critical to patiently wait for the right fit that is willing to grow with you, communicate with you, and most importantly, is in need of each other's qualities, which may be completely unexpected, just like in my experience. I am super excited and motivated with my current research and to help the science community and people affected by tuna illegal fishing.